Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Stephen Sorr, the owner of the Source of Health here in Scottsdale, Arizona, where our goal is to help you look and feel better without drugs or surgery. Oftentimes, people are reaching for a pill when they're hurting or not feeling where they should be. They're having a hard time. They're sick and tired of being sick and tired. We help people on a fundamental level to treat the root cause and help you heal from the inside out. We have two modalities that we really focus on. One is regenerative medicine, and the second is functional medicine. Regenerative medicine uses your own body's healing mechanisms, stem cells and platelets, to help you heal from the inside out on old chronic tears, arthritis, things like sprains and strains. Functional medicine really works well with using your own nutrition and gut health, as well as optimizing your hormones. When hormones go out of balance, we have dysfunction. People can't sleep right, they don't have energy, and we help people get better. Instead of going underneath the knife, going for surgery, we want to look for alternative treatments to help us heal that are both safe and effective. We use evidence-based medicine and we are patient-centered. Our quality guarantee ensures you that you never see more than 10 patients a day. What this gives you is the ability to have time with the doctor to really talk about, explore, and open up and get to where you need to be as quickly as possible. If you have any questions about what we do, please visit our website at sohnatural.com. Once again, I'm Dr. Stephen Sorr at the Source of Health. It's worth a shot.